Hello, good afternoon. So I'm here for today to show you and join me as I try the famous and trending chocolate here in Dubai. It's from Fix Dessert Chocolatier. So actually, ang tagal bago ko mo-order kasi isang application lang yung pwede namin pag-orderan nito. And then may specific timings pa, which is 2 p.m., 5 p.m. So, if you miss it, then for sure hindi ka makaka-order. Kasi, ang claims nila is fresh yan and limited lang yung mga ginagawa nila per day. So, you need to order as fast as you can. And for the price, I must say na it's pricey compared to other normal chocolates because yung isang bar niya is around 65 dirhams, which is most likely almost 1,000 pesos. But I've seen some videos that the cost is like around 2,000 kasi nagpapasabay sila. So which is understandable naman. So for me, I didn't order the big chocolate bar because I wanted to try all the flavors and dalawa lang naman kami sa bahay, which is wala pa nga yung friend ko. So I opted to buy the mini version of each flavors. So I have here my código. So it's called Fix Mini Heroes Box. So as you can see, andyan yung mga flavors kung ilang piraso. So since may 5 flavors tayo, tig to 2 small sizes yung meron sa order natin for today. So I'll show you the flavors and how it looks. So kaka-deliver lang nito, guys. Tadang! Okay, ayan siya. Actually, nagdadalawang isip pa ako kung order ako nito or hindi. Yung colleague ko, shout out Ate Yen. I was supposed to order yesterday, kaya lang sabi niya, Trish, no, ang mahal. But, since off day natin, wala tayong magawa. At, gusto ko talaga siyang itry, guys. Tignan natin kung hype lang ba or masarap talaga siya. So, ayan siya. Okay, labas na natin sa box. And, ganyan. Ganyan yung mini version niya. Okay, let's open. Ayan. So, andito pala yung mga flavors. Okay, open muna natin bago ko sabihin yung mga flavors. Okay. Ayan. So, ayan, nakikita ko. So, first up is we have Mine Your Own Biscoff. It's crunchy lotus cheesecake encased in white chocolate. So, if you know the biscuit na lotus, which is masarap. So, ito siya. And then this is Can't Get Kunafa F8. It's a crispy kunafa mixed with pistachio and tahini paste encased in milk chocolate. So, sa mga hindi nakakaalam, kunafa is a famous Arabic sweets, and it's mixed with pistachio. So, I believe, ito yung trending, I believe Ito yung talagang sinasabi nilang masarap, yung Can't Get Kunafa of it. And then third one, we have the butter to be safe than salty. Grabe. Ang cute na mga names. So, baked cinnamon, filo pastry with caramel and peanut butter encased in milk chocolate. Yeah. So, ito siya. And then the fourth one is You Crack Me Up. Paano ito i-pronounce? Parle-G biscuits and karak flavored custard plus hints of cardamom and saffron encased in milk chocolate. So, I am not fond of cardamom, so I don't like the taste of it. So, let's see if pasado pa ba sa akin to. And then we have the last one. It's called Seriously Juicy. So it's a chewy fudge Nutella brownies with cereal encased in milk chocolate. So ayan. Napakaganda, no? Para siyang abstract painting. Ayan. Ang cute! So, ano nga pala to, guys? I paid 189 dirhams para sa isang box na to. So, 189, which is malaki na yan. Malaking pera na yan. So, I have a little water here so we can try. So, yung talagang gusto kong kainin is yung ito. Kunafa. Because I love kunafa. Guys, I swear, masarap yung kunafa. So, hindi natin to mabibreak or hindi ko alam kung mabibreak pa natin to. Kasi sobrang liit. So, ayun siya. Oh, okay, na-break na. Ay, naku. So, na-break natin siya. Ayan. Shadow kasing maliit, kaya di niyo makita. Ayan siya. I don't know if you can hear. Okay. Let's guys, I must admit, I love chocolate, but not to the extent na sobrang sweet ng chocolate. So ito, hindi siya ganun katamis. For me for my taste buds. Hindi siya ganun katamis. At it gives, a little bit of, it gives additional crisp in the chocolate. Actually, good combination siya. Pistachio, kunafa, and chocolate. Later, I will give my verdict sa lahat ng to. Okay? But sarap siya. Pero kung hindi ka fan ng kunafa, I guess this is not for you. Kasi, feel mo talaga yung texture ng kunafa and yung pistachio. So, kung hindi ka fan, I think this is not for you. So, next, I wanted to try lang yung kodi ko. Kasi guys, hindi ko alam kung matatry ko lahat to kasi busog na busog pa ako. So, I think I'll go with, I think I will just try 3 flavors for now. Okay guys, sorry, may intermission number tayo. Kasi yung delivery ko ng food dumating. So, nasikasa ko muna. Okay, so let's go back. I'll just cleanse my palette. Uy! Food vlogger yan. Cleanse palette kapag yun nalalaman. Okay. So, I think we should try Seriously Choosy because it's Nutella. Which is this one. Parang siyang may glitters. Ay, gold ba to or glitters? Wala. Ayan o, I'll show you. Hirap niya. Parang siyang may gold. Ayan. Shine bright siya. Shine bright. Shine bright like a diamond ba? So, here. Ayan. Oh. So, ganyan siya. Okay. Hindi ko na ubusin to, guys. Mm. Mm. Diba? Ngayon ako pag nag-iisip ko. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Sabi ko, ano yung matigas? Nabasa ko, may cereal nga pala siya. May cereal siya, guys. Okay. I'll give my thoughts later on. Okay. So now, let's try the Biscoff. Pinakyan ko paano, no? Yan, cutie. Cutie patuti. Oh, may lumalabas. May lumalabas. Ay. Hala, hindi ko nakuha yung Biscoff. Wait lang. Oh, wow. Okay. Ngayon pa lang, nasabi ko na, medyo bias ako when it comes to milk chocolate white chocolate. Guys, I really like the taste of white chocolate. So, medyo bias ako dito. And, guys, meron siya whole lotus dyan. Ayan. Meron siya whole lotus. Ganyan ba yung ginagawa naman? Nakikita ko si Jimin ng BTS, ginagawa niya kanina. Diba? Oh, guys. I'm a BTS fan. I'm an ARMY. You see that? Yes. And you see that? Yes. I'm a Jimin bias. Okay, so now let's try butter to be safe than salty. Hindi rin ako fan ng cinnamon. And may cinnamon to. So let's see. Oh, I think kailangan. Oh. Guys, alam nyo. First of all, hindi ako fan ng cinnamon. Second, hindi ako mahilig sa mga peanut butter with chocolates. Like yung Reese's. No, I'm not a fan. So, ito yun siya. Ganyan. Guys, I think meron tayong chocolate na ganito yung lasa. Hindi ko matandaan kung ano. Pero may natikman na akong ganito. Yung may crunch sa gitna. Ano bang tawag ko doon? Isi-search ko. Pakita ko. So now, yung last na lang. So, sabi ko kanina, di ko titikman lahat, no? Pero tikman natin. Since onti-onti na lang naman yung tinitikman natin. Hindi natin inuubos yung isang piraso. Okay. Ay, ayun yung magpakuho, guys. So, this is the You Can Rock Me Up cardamom. Oof. Inaamoy ko. Kasi guys, malakas yung amoy ng cardamom. So, naamoy ko. Pero wala naman na. Guys, sorry. Hindi siya amoy cardamom, but the taste, it's oozing with cardamom. So, Sorry, I am not a fan. This one, I am not a fan of this. Guys, yung mga halos tao dito, they like cardamom, so they might like this one. But for me, it's a big no. If I will rate the taste, okay, ito, basically, it's my top 5. Or, yeah, it's my top. If I will rank the taste, this will be my top 5 because of the cardamom taste. And my 4th one will be the Seriously Juicy, I think. Yung Nutella. Kasi parang lang siyang normal, how can I say it? Like brownies. Actually, sinabi naman na brownies, but yeah, I don't think it's, I mean, if you love brownies, then you can go for it. Sorry if I'm pangit, guys. And then my 3rd one will be, I think this one. Ito yung may better to be safe than salty. Yan. Yung merong caramel inside. And then, so ito yung top 2 ko. It's hard to choose because as I've told you, excuse me, burp ako. I'm quite biased when it comes to white chocolate. So I really love white chocolate. So maybe this is my 2nd and this is my 1st love. Yeah. But this one is good also. It's worth trying, but if you will buy, I would suggest if you will buy the bigger version of this chocolate, then you can share it with someone because the price, as I've told you earlier, it's quite high, 65 dirhams. And you might not like it. I mean, it depends upon your preference. And yeah, but it's worth trying, I must say. So if I will buy again next time, if I will buy again next time, I'll just buy maybe these 3 or maybe these 2 only. So, okay, tingnan nyo, ang dumi yung cardamom, guys. So, that's it. I think I will end my journey with trying the famous trending fix chocolate in Dubai here. So if you want to try, go to Deliveroo and order this one.